So, generally speaking, whenever someone leaves a comment on one of my videos trying to correct me, there are one of two possibilities. Either I am wrong and the commenter is right, or the commenter is wrong and I am right. But somehow, this commenter has found a third possibility. This comment comes from a video where I said that no one in One Piece is faster than light. And people always say, Kizaru is faster than light. To which I always respond, no, Kizaru is light, and by definition, moves at the speed of light, not faster. But this commenter hit me with something interesting. He says that Kizaru moved faster than his own lasers. So obviously I am intrigued by this. Let's find what panels he's talking about. And I'm gonna go ahead and give a quick spoiler warning for Egghead. Chapter 1092, we see this page. We see Kizaru up in the sky, and we see him blast down towards Luffy. We see the initial beam of his body, he says acceleration is power or speed is power depending on the translation, and then the beam seems to get much stronger. Now, I will say, I think it is debatable whether or not this is supposed to imply the beam getting faster or just getting stronger. However, the use of the word acceleration here does seem to imply that he is increasing the speed of this attack. And if Kizaru's attacks are normally light speed, then that would mean that this attack has to be going faster than light. So this seems like a very compelling piece of evidence. At least, until the next page, when something very interesting happens. The very next panel is Luffy being illuminated by the attack before it hits him, which, by definition, means that the attack is moving slower than light. I had already accepted that Kizaru was light speed, but this panel alone seems to imply that he's not. And if Kizaru isn't actually the speed of light, then that drastically reduces the strength and speed of the entire verse. Because everyone's speed is always compared to Kizaru and his lasers. So while this comment is technically correct, Kizaru did seemingly move faster than his own beam, it also ends up depowering the entire verse.